Top 5 Best Rolling Workbench. Number 5. Larbanke 48-inch Heavy-Duty Adjustable Workbench. The Larbanke 48-inch Heavy-Duty Adjustable Workbench offers precision, versatility, and power. With a rubber wood tabletop measuring 1.2 inches thick, the work surface is both durable and spacious. A unique feature of this workbench is the precision scale printed directly on the table, making it an excellent choice for those who need to measure and cut materials with accuracy. Height adjustments on this workbench range from 33.5 to 41.3 inches, giving you the freedom to sit or stand as needed. The workbench is also equipped with an ETL certified power strip, featuring a USB socket, Type-C socket, and 3 AC power outlets, allowing you to power multiple tools and devices simultaneously. Mobility is ensured with 4 heavy-duty 360° wheels that can lock in place, preventing unwanted movement during work. These features make the Larbanke workbench an ideal choice for anyone needing a flexible and mobile workspace. Though it is marketed as a garage workbench, the sleek design means it can be used in offices, bedrooms, and workshops alike. Whether you're doing light crafting or heavy-duty construction, this workbench provides a solid foundation for any task. Coming in number 4, QYDS 60-inch Workbench with Drawers. The QYDS 60-inch Workbench with Drawers strikes a balance between functionality, durability, and style. Its large drawer, measuring 38 inches long, provides ample storage for a wide array of tools and keeps your workspace free of clutter. The drawer operates smoothly on premium metal sliding rails, ensuring durability and quiet operation. This workbench features adjustable heights, allowing you to set the surface anywhere between 27.5 and 39.5 inches, depending on whether you're standing or sitting. This flexibility is perfect for both workshop use and office settings. Equipped with an ETL certified power strip, the QYDS workbench allows you to safely plug in power tools, charge devices, or run small appliances. With 2 USB ports and 2 Type-B electrical sockets, this workbench can support various electronic devices simultaneously. Built for durability, the bamboo top is stronger and more water-resistant than traditional wood surfaces, making it an eco-friendly option. The robust steel frame can support up to 2,700 pounds, making it one of the most durable options available. Its stylish design also means it can double as a computer workstation or a desk, adding versatility to its uses. Coming in number 3, Antifer 60 by 24 inch Adjustable Workbench Rolling Heavy-Duty Worktable. If heavy-duty tasks are what you need to tackle, the Antifer 60 by 24 inch Adjustable Workbench has the durability and portability to handle them. With an impressive weight capacity of 2,000 pounds, this worktable is a beast, capable of supporting even the heaviest equipment and tools. The height can be adjusted from 29.5 to 39 inches, allowing you to choose between sitting and standing positions. This flexibility is perfect for workshops that require long hours of work, making it ergonomically friendly. The steel frame construction ensures that this workbench stays stable, even under maximum load. Portability is another plus, with large wheels and brakes that lock the workbench in place when needed. Whether you're moving between rooms or shifting within your workspace, the workbench moves smoothly on its wheels, and the locks ensure stability during operation. The Antifer workbench features a sustainable oak board tabletop, giving it a long-lasting and durable work surface. It also comes equipped with a power outlet that includes 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports, making it ideal for plugging in tools or charging your devices. Coming in number 2, Cevil Classics UltraGraphite Wood Top Workbench. Cevil Classics is known for producing reliable, high-quality workspace solutions, and their UltraGraphite Wood Top Workbench is no exception. Its solid beech wood top is 1 inch thick, providing a spacious and durable surface for your tools and projects. The surface is finished with a scratch-resistant polyurethane, allowing you to confidently mount power tools and clamps. One standout feature is the steel organizer drawer. This drawer has adjustable dividers and a non-slip liner, ensuring your tools stay organized and easily accessible. It operates on smooth ball-bearing sliding rails, and the adjustable dividers give you control over your workspace. The workbench is highly portable, thanks to 4 3-inch casters, 2 of which are lockable, making this a great mobile solution for both home and professional workshops. Despite its mobility, the Cevil Classics workbench doesn't sacrifice sturdiness and has a total weight capacity of 500 pounds, ideal for mounting heavy-duty tools and handling large projects. With over 40 years in the industry, Cevil Classics has honed their craft, providing you with a simple setup process and reliable support if needed. Coming in number 1. Fedmax 61-inch Rolling Portable Workbench. The Fedmax 61-inch Rolling Portable Workbench is the embodiment of versatility. Whether you need a mobile kitchen island for additional counter space, a crafting table, or a computer workstation, this workbench has you covered. The 61-inch wide surface is made from 1-inch thick acacia wood, ensuring durability and low maintenance. Its solid wood butcher block surface is scratch-resistant and perfect for all types of projects, from woodworking to car repairs. The workbench is portable, equipped with both customizable feet and locking wheels. Whether you want to roll it around your garage or keep it stationary, switching from wheels to feet is a breeze. The 14 adjustable height settings make it adaptable for any task, whether you're seated or standing. This customization ensures the workbench fits your personal needs for tasks like painting, sewing, or building models. Built to last, the Fedmax workbench is constructed with an indestructible steel frame and feet levelers to keep it wobble-free. Assembly is required, but the detailed instructions make it straightforward.